Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBPJPY. Right now, personally, I would say the movement is a bit complicated, to be honest. But before that, make sure you follow us on Telegram. You will see the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, follow us on Telegram. Now, what like I said before, this movement is a bit complicated. At first, we were having this movement to the downside, right? Then all of a sudden, we all know that let's go. Markets give us three movements, right? A movement downward, a movement upward, and kind of like a complicated, consolidated movement, or ranging markets move, something like that. Sometimes markets give us an indecision movement, but at first we kind of had like this movement to the upside. Then all of a sudden it dropped. Now market has actually come up here. So right now it looks like market wants to start dropping. So be very careful, especially those that may be going long, because this might look like a resistance level. Markets might want to be dropping. Personally, with what I'm saying, this will be a short-term drop if in case markets will drop. If it drops short-term, then guess what will happen next? Market is very much likely to continue with the more upward movements. My bias is still to the upside, but as at now, what market is doing currently, I would say that it's a bit complicated. It's kind of giving like an indecision movement. So me personally, I'll stay away from this trade. It's not every trade you have to take, especially if you're a trader of GBP, JPY. It's not every time you take the trade, right? There are sometimes you want to stay away from this market, and right now is one of those times to stay away from this market, because as market is doing, a lot of people might be thinking it will start going down, which it's very much likely to happen. At the same time, markets will just push up and continue with the movement to the upside, and guess what? You get stopped out. Like I said, the movement now is a bit complicated. Try and stay away from it. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel, and follow us on Telegram.